Let us begin Chapter 6, Section 4, Problem number 1. If one donor is selected at random, find the probability of selecting a person with a blood type A positive. So let's find the probability of a person with a blood type A positive. So here you have the probability of the event. A positive is 34 divided by the total. And adding up the numbers, here your total is equal to 100. 34 divided by 100 is equal to 0.34. If one donor is selected at random, find the probability of not selecting a person with blood type B positive. So to find the probability of selecting a person with not blood type B positive, you have 1 minus the probability of B positive. So here you have 1 minus probability of B positive is 10. So 10 divided by 100. So 1 minus 10 divided by 100 is equal to 0.90. Number 2. Find the probability of getting two numbers whose summation is less than 6. So looking at our outcomes to find the probability of the sum less than 6, let's look at our total outcomes. We have 2, 3 is less than 6. And we have 3, 2 is less than 6. 1, 4 is less than 6. 4, 1. 4, 1 is less than 6. And here we have 3, 1 is also less than 6. 1, 3 is less than 6. We have 2, 2 is less than 6. We also have 1, 2 is less than 6. And 2, 1. And 1, 1 is less than 6. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 whose sum is less than 6 divided by the total, 36. So your probability is 0.278. Find the probability of getting two numbers whose summation is greater than 10. So looking at our sample space, probability that the sum is greater than 10, you only have 3. 5, 6 is greater than 10. 6, 5, and 6, 12. 3 over 36 is equal to 0.083. Last one, find the probability of getting two numbers whose summation is 5 or 6. So the probability of the sum is equal to 5 or 6. So we look at our sample space and we have 4 whose probability is 5 plus probability of 6, you have 5 whose sum is 6. So therefore you're going to add 9 over 36 is equal to 0.25. Okay, now going to number 3. A card is drawn from a standard deck of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card is 10. So finding the probability that the card is 10, you only have 4 cards that are 10, 4 over 52, which is equal to 0.077. So again, remember you have 2 black cards, 2 red cards, which makes it 4. Find the probability that the card is a heart. So the probability that the card is a heart, you have 13 hearts in a deck of 52. So 13 divided by 52 is equal to 0.25. Find the probability that the card is a club 7. So the probability that the card is a club 7, you only have 7 clubs. So 1 over 52 is equal to 0.0192. Okay, moving on to number 4. Given a table here, what is the probability that a randomly select student is a graduate business major? So the probability that the student is a business graduate is equal to, here you look at your table, business graduate is 50 divided by the total is 500. So make sure you total your columns. You have a total of 500. So the probability of the event is 50 divided by 500, which is equal to 0.10. What is the probability that a randomly selected student has an engineering major? So the probability of the student being an engineering major. So here you total engineering, 150 plus 25 is equal to 175 divided by the total. 175 divided by 500 is equal to 0.35. And the last problem, what is the probability that a randomly select student is not arts and science major? So probability that the student is not arts and science, you want to calculate the probability of 1 minus arts and science. In arts and science, you have 100 plus 25, which is 125. So 125 divided by 500. So again, you want to calculate 1 minus arts and sciences, and that answer is 0.75. And this completes Chapter 6, Section 4.